Hi, my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, guys, so today's video is the collab to decorate fall and or glam towels for 2019. The hosts are Cynthia She's So Blessed, Mysterious Alberta, and myself, Diva Decorating. Now, we were asking that you place your DIY towels in your kitchen. You could glam up your bar cart, or you could place them in your bathroom. It's totally up to you. Don't forget to check out all the other participants on the playlist as well, as I'm sure you're going to see some beautiful DIY fall towels. So I decided to place my glam towels in my bathroom. My decor in my bathroom needed an update, so this was a perfect place for my DIY towels. Now this is how my towels currently look in my bathroom. And this is how my glam towels look in my bathroom. By the way, this is a half bath, so it's pretty small. I am so in love how these towels came out. It's just like I envisioned them to look. And I had so much fun creating these glam towels. And that's one thing that we ask, that you have fun creating. And this was just so much fun. Okay. I am going to do a video on how I DIY these towels, because they're just so glam, and I want to do them in another color. These are so versatile that you could do that. You don't have to have black if it doesn't match your decor. I'm actually going to I'm going to save that part. I'm going to save it. I'm not going to tell you what color I'm going to do it in. Watch out for a video Thursday. I will be uploading my videos now on Thursdays, so make sure that you look out for this DIY. And I'm going to go in a little closer so I can show you. I'll start up here at the top with the washcloth, with the little pumpkins that I did. And I did all of these free-handedly, so they just turned out so glam. And as you can see, I put the bling around the band there, and I have my 3 colored pumpkins there, and they're just so beautiful. And the next one I'm going to show you are leaves that I put on there. Okay, you can see those. You can see some of that glitter, but that'll come off. They are very much sealed, so I don't have to worry about the glitter falling off. And these towels are not going to be used. They just for decor purposes. And I put the little fall like that on there, the little fall bling lettering. And this one is my favorite because it is beaded, and I've been loving the beaded pumpkins that I see on pillows. So I had the thought to just try one on a towel, and I absolutely love how it came out. And if you can see that. These are beads, and then these are beads. This is glitter, glitter, glitter. And they are just so glam. That's glitter. And the doorway is right here, so when guests walk in, they will immediately see these glam towels. This is the half bath on my first floor. So this would be used by everyone. And I'm just going to give you a little peek around this little small bathroom since it is so small. So just enjoy the music. Made it back around. Show you the rug there. We made it back around the bathroom, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will go and you will check out all the creators' videos that are creating tiles for fall. I hope you will participate. Can't wait to see what everyone comes up with. So don't forget, if you like this video, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, share, and until next time, guys, bye bye, my loves.